the 2017 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Sierra 3500 HD. Epic power at a not-so-epic price. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, chrome wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.